Cooking with foodie. Cooking with foodie. Well, we're cooking rice today. Favorite brown rice. We're trying the rice now. Traditional chef, no. You gotta wash the rice. Come. Like sun. How do I say me? Anyway. But I must see the seasoning. Low fire. Put on the pot. Chain the rice. A cover. And you wait till it starts to whistle. Moving and everything all the time. I'm gonna smell my pot. I smell my blood clot pot. What the hell? My pot done start to bubble. I'm not even throwing the seasoning yet. It's 7:20 now. Let me see what I want. Still hard. Add some water. Right? Leave it for whistle. I'll leave that rice there to simmer down. It's 7:30 now. Okay. I'm gonna put in some oil. Okay, let's add our seasoning. Well, since I don't want it to be salty, I'm not gonna use all of the seasoning, right? I'm just gonna use all-purpose and cajun. Right? You get onion powder and garlic powder one. If you use them two, then sell them to here. Anyways, we'll just go to the one with the most salt. Seasoning salt. Then my favorite cajun. You don't know cajun is my favorite. I don't know. It's just giving it a little spice and stuff like that. That is what I like, you know. Remember the last time we took too much, right? So we ain't trying plenty this wrongs. And I pot a bun a little, eh? You fuck me pot a bun. Like somebody van up my stove. Bomba clot! Okay, guys, at 9 o'clock, let's check our pot. One of them two eggs here don't boil. Hours all been in here for no one. Everybody pass all the bowl. I'm going to share it now. Bitch. If you sick, this is the best fucking food in your life, me girl. Look at my rice, girl. Bumbo cats. You see me meat there?
Relax your country. Relax.
You never eat egg?
What kind of fucking meat coming up the egg?
Look at it, finishing touch. Well, I got a piece of liver from my sister from yesterday. This is a stale liver. But anyways, look at it, look at it. Come bring a plate and go some, come and go, come and go.